description.
Okay, go, go, go! Yeah. All right, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we got one from Ajinomoto. This one's made in Poland for the U.S. market. This is part of their Oyakata range of Yakisoba products, and this is their classic soy sauce flavor. So with that, we will get going. Yeah. These have been all right. The first one I had was their curry, and it was violently salty, and I really don't understand why. To be quite honest, I really don't. It's making a mess. 3 minutes. That gives me enough time to clean up the mess. So, yeah, it's like never-ending, weird, wild insanity. Insofar as news and stuff, and yeah. The last thing I heard was that there's going to be an executive order that says that if you're an illegal immigrant but you work at a restaurant or a hotel, it's gonna be okay for you. Why is that? Because Trump owns restaurants and hotels. That's why, folks. There's nothing around it. Freaking endless grifting. But yeah. But that's fun. And yeah, and hopefully helpful for some people, but who knows how long that'll last, right? So now we're on the second one. One more to go after this, and that one's going to be involved. I'm looking forward to it, but it's going to be a lot of work, that's for sure. It's going to be a lot of work. And I don't want to use that. I want to use the other one, and this is being a pain in the butt. Good God. Nah. Normally I'd be talking to you, but I've got like multiple things going on at once. And so I'm doing multiple things that are going on all at once. But yeah, it's Friday at least. Tomorrow we're going to go see a ball game. We're going to go see the AAA team for the Seattle Mariners, which are the Rainiers. And they're going to play the AAA team for the Giants, the River Cats, who will be visiting. And they play each other a lot. And we're rooting for the River Cats. Of course, we're not a big fan of the Mariners. I know. We live near Seattle. I know. But it's going to be okay. Just because we're in a geographic locale that's closer to the other team doesn't mean we necessarily like. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Yes, we are Giants fans. I used to be a Mariners fan, don't get me wrong. But after years of disappointment, and then meeting my wife, who is a Giants fan, and coming up here, I decided I'd join her in her Giants fandom. And then in, what was it, 2010, just for us, they decided to win the World Series. And then they did it again in 2012, and then they did it again in 2014. So there you go. And that's good. Winning is good. Alright, so drain the noodles, stir it up. It has their kind of odd overload of chives that are very, 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 what's the term? Staticky. The static chives. And they cause havoc. These are... This is kind of difficult, I gotta admit. Dry varieties in these, like, latte cups just don't really do it for me. It's like... Alright, cheers. It has this sweetness. They've all had this sweetness to them that I don't know. The first one was violently salty. That was the curry. This one has way more sweetness. And to be quite honest, I'm not getting a huge amount of... Somebody asked me, what flavor is that, dude? And he's like, I don't know. I wouldn't go with soy sauce. But the company that makes it, Ajinomoto, they're the ones who pioneered MSG. Some people dislike MSG. And swear that they're allergic to it, which technically I hear is completely impossible. You might be allergic to other things, but not that. But you can argue with me in the comments and I'll just delete your comment. I've dealt with that enough times. So on another note, so my daughter had her last game of softball on Wednesday, and she got a hit. She got a good hit, and she ended up scoring. Even she got driven in, so she actually made it all the way around the bases and scored. So I'm proud of my daughter. Hopefully she'll get the scholarship and be able to play summer softball. So that's cool. I was gonna put mayo on this, but I just don't feel like it. I don't have the feel for the mayo at the moment. But anyways, Rotato, do your thing. Well, this is the last one of the Oyakata stuff, but the next one I got is interesting. This is Siam Chili Pad Thai set. This sounds good, and it sounds kind of involved as well, so let's get involved, and that'll be on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.